Hi, this is Litre Tailor Parts Pro. Today with 2014 Mitsubishi Challenger, stock number 7456. It's ran from the 11th 2009 to the 12th 2015. Has a Ford E56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a Ford E56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch factory made good tyre. Front bonnet. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory made good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory made good tyre. Right rear and right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard one dent. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 16-inch factory made good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front goodies lap sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.